I wonder what this could be. I wonder what this looks like. Anyone want to guess? What you see here is a Evergo model 4E-3LWSBS. The SBS denotes variable speed. It is forward reverse via the pull chain. I am using a set of 4 curved blades, 48-inch, on it instead of its stock wood blades, since one of the wood blades is snapped and in need of gluing. So in the meantime, I'm using these. So, curved blades, pointed motor. Kind of reminds some of an Envirofan Gold Line now, doesn't it? Yeah. There's your knob. The motor on this one is cast iron. The fan is not dated. So now we're going to see what it does. Starting on its lowest setting. When I first powered this fan up, the trim pot was in serious need of adjustment as it was running far too fast on its lowest setting. So now I have set the low speed to something far more reasonable. As you can see, the low speed is aesthetic. More for show than anything else. Now we're going to adjust the knob by about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn. Another notch. The bearings hiss a little bit, which is, again, par for the course for a fan that's about 35 years old. Up another notch. Really starting to move some air now. Now close to full blast, but not quite there. It's about 1/4 of a turn away from its highest speed. Now, straight up high. Now keep in mind this fan originally had wood blades. Running with metal, it still performs like your typical industrial. Many spinner fans of the 70s and 80s, essentially they used motors that were geared for industrial use, meaning higher RPM. And this clearly shows it. It is reversible, but with industrial blades, reversing it is essentially pointless, so I'm not going to bother with that. Just going to let it spin down. This is one of those designs where you almost wish it was actually a thing. You know, where you almost wish they had actually offered it in this configuration with the switch housing and variable speed control. Evergo/Union, they made 3-speed industrials in, I think, 36-inch and 56-inch. Maybe they made 48-inch, but I doubt they ever made them with 4 blades. But with them, anything and everything is possible. So, you never know. Anyway, there you have it. An Evergo with metal blades.